Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. In today's video, we're looking at the Comomy extra wide baby gate. Now, the first thing you'll probably notice about this baby gate is it's very durable and strong. It's made with very strong metal. Opening and closing the gate is very simple. You just simply pull back on this little gray tab and then lift up and open up the gate. And one great feature about the door is you can go ahead and pull it all the way open and it will actually prop itself open. And it also auto closes. Overall, I'm very impressed with this extra wide baby gate. I think it's a very high quality and durable baby gate, and in that extra wide length, it makes it very useful. And for that reason, I highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.